Hey YouTube, it's Cole's Hot Licks and I have an awesome one for you today. But before that, good news, I have a new song coming out on January 1st, 2020. It's called And So On. I'm pretty excited for it, explore some hip hop ideas, something new for me. Also lots of cool videos, a Billie Eilish remix, and awesome collaboration, much more originals to come, so stay tuned for it. All right, and in this lick, the really cool thing about it is it's kind of more of a passing idea and you can use it to get from A to B. So check it out. Go through it nice and slow. That's kind of the wet style with the thumb. You can use this, like I say on all my licks, you can use them anywhere. Now that's the lick as it is. Now the cool thing about these is you can change them up and change the endings to fit whatever key you're in. If you want to resolve on the F. So in passing. Let's take a closer look. Ooh, thanks for checking it out, guys. I hope you enjoyed these hot licks. I'd love to see it in your playing, and I hope you get a lot out of it, or something out of it. And I hope to see you out at all the shows I have throughout Chicago, Madison, and Rockford. And check out the new stuff. Thanks for listening, guys. See ya.